Yeah, over here, over here. We're recording Seagulls. Some French fries right there.
Right there.
And they're gonna, and on there.
Right there.
And
Oh, look at that guy walking by.
We're gonna eat them. They attacked us last time.
Yeah, pretty scary, but pretty awesome.
I'm pretty scared.
Oh no! There's another snake!
No, they're not.
Do you not just see like 5 fly above us?
Okay, why is there none coming out right now? That weird guy right there scaring him. Oh.
No! Oh no! Look at him!
That thing just pooped.
Oh, look, that one. That one right there. That's a winner. That's a winner.
We're going. We're going.
This needs to go on YouTube. This is going on YouTube. Look, did they get all the fries?
Except the one on the window.
Here it comes. His friend's looking at us going, what are they doing? Imagine if Kevin walked Open the window a little bit. Oh.
Okay, stop it, stop it. Press the top.